guys, welcome back to my channels AMD TV. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels AMD TV 83. Click the notification button or the bell so that you will be update for my upcoming video. Okay, so we are here in Goldstream Provincial Park. If you are looking for camping, hiking, and if you are a nature lover, so maybe this area or park is the best choice also for you to hang out with your family and friends. Okay, I will give you some information in Goldstream Provincial Park, which is near located only in Victoria. This is the capital city of British Columbia, Canada. It is situated in the southern part of Vancouver Island. Goldstream Park is known for its stunning natural beauty, old-growth forest, and the annual spectacle of the salmon run. You know that Goldstream Park also have a falls. So one of the main attraction of Goldstream Park is the annual salmon run. Each year, from the late October to early December, thousands of jumped salmon return to the Goldstream River to spawn. So visitors can witness this incredible natural phenomenon as the salmon battle upstream, leaping over waterfalls and navigating the rapids. Okay, so Goldstream Park is home to ancient towering trees and lush old-growth forest. Visitors can explore park, network of the trails that wind through the forest, providing opportunities for peaceful walks and hikes. The Arbutus Douglas, fir, and western red cedar are among the dominant tree species in the park. The park features picturesque waterfalls that add to its natural beauty. The most well-known waterfall is the Niagara Falls, which cascade down a rocky cliff face. So there are also smaller falls throughout the park, creating tranquil spots for relaxation and photography. Yes, of course, in the wildlife in the Goldstream Park offers also opportunities to observe a variety of wildlife species. Aside from the salmon, visitors may spot bald eagles, larkspurs, otters, and variety of bird species. The park is also home to diverse plant life, including ferns, mosses, and wildlife. If you like my video, don't forget again to subscribe, click the bell so that you will be updated for my next video. Okay guys, in terms of visitor center, if you need more information about parks in the Goldstream, Goldstream Park Visitor Center provides information, exhibits, and displays about the park's natural and cultural history. It offers valuable insight into the park's ecosystem, wildlife, and the significance of the salmon run. Park staffs are available to answer questions and provide assistance. If you are a nature lover or would like to walk for hiking trails, okay, so Goldstream Park offers a range of trails suitable for all levels of fitness and hiking experience. The Goldstream Nature House Loop Trail is a popular choice for a shorter walk, while more adventurous hikers can explore the longer and more challenging Goldstream Falls Loop or the Mount Finlayson Trail. If you like also do camping and picnicking with your friends and family, I think Goldstream Park is the best choice also for you to do that. The park has a campground with over 150 campsites, making it a popular destination for camping enthusiasts. There are also picnic areas throughout the park, providing a scenic setting for outdoor meals and relaxation. Goldstream Park also hosts various events and programs throughout the year. In addition to the Salmon Run, the park offers guided nature walks, interpretive programs, and educational activities for visitors of all ages. Check the park's website or visitor center for the current events and schedule. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channels, click the subscribe button and click the bell for the upcoming video. In terms of accessibility in this park, the park also provides accessible facilities and trails to accommodate visitors with mobility challenges. There are wheelchair accessible viewing platform, paved pathways, and washroom designed for accessibility. Proximity to Victoria, Goldstream Park is located approximately 16 km or 10 miles from downtown Victoria, making it easily accessible for a day trip or weekend getaway. It offers a tranquil natural retreat for a just short drive from the city. Whether you are interested in witnessing the Salmon Run, exploring old-growth forest, or enjoying outdoor activities, Goldstream Park provides a serene and captivating natural experience in the Victoria area. Goldstream Park also have tables, chairs for the family and friends that wanted to do a picnic and to bring some foods. So this table is provided for all the visitors that wanted to enjoy the scenery of the Goldstream Park. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button for the upcoming video.